A classic bone-in chicken curry with one rather special touch to raise it to another level entirely. And just look at that colour. Remarkable, isn't it? Welcome back to Burmawala kitchen. Let's begin. We're using one skinless chicken cut into 8 generous pieces. To this we add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder for a gentle warmth, a teaspoon of turmeric for that deep golden hue, a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of dhana jeera, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Mix it through properly, making sure every piece is well and truly coated. No need for a long marinade here, life's too short, and frankly, so is this video. Now, onto the pan. In goes 1 cup of oil over a medium heat, followed by 2 finely chopped onions. This is where the foundation is laid. We're taking these onions all the way to a deep golden brown, and I'd urge you not to rush it. A great curry is built on a great onion base, so take your time, keep them moving, and let the colour develop evenly. Patience here is rewarded. Impatience, sadly, is not. Once we're about 3/4 of the way there, in go the whole spices. 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a small cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, a teaspoon of green cardamom, a teaspoon of coriander seeds, and a teaspoon of peppercorns. We're waking them up gently, frying them alongside the onions. The aroma at this stage is something rather special. Your neighbours will know, your neighbours will be jealous. We add the dry spices a touch later quite deliberately, so they release their oils without catching or turning bitter. A small thing, but it makes all the difference. The onions are right where we want them, the spices are alive, and now in goes the marinated chicken, which has been waiting patiently for its moment. We give it a proper sear for 5 minutes. We're after that rich, deep colour, and we want to seal in every bit of those spices and juices there, already looking the part. Once the colour is there, we add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, loosened with a splash of water. This is our next layer of flavour. The water simply helps it move through the masala and stops it catching. We've worked too hard to lose it now. Burning it at this stage would be, in technical culinary terms, a tragedy. Keep stirring until the tomato cooks down and marries into the spices. Quite a simple curry this, but the depth we're building is genuinely impressive. Once it's all properly combined, in goes 1 cup of water. Not too much, the chicken will release its own juices as it cooks. This is a thicker, richer style of curry, but if you prefer yours a little looser, just add a touch more. Entirely up to you. I am a narrator, not a dictator. Stir it through, bring it to a gentle simmer, lid on, and leave it for 30 minutes on a medium heat. 30 minutes on, and there we are. The colour is glorious, the aroma quite something, and you can always tell a curry is properly done when that oil rises beautifully to the surface. But we're not quite finished. Here's that special ingredient I promised, 1 tablespoon of cura water. It lifts the whole dish, adds something refined, almost regal. And then, as always, a generous scattering of fresh coriander to finish, because we're not animals, and there it is, done. Honestly, how straightforward was that? A few glam shots, because a curry like this deserves a proper look. It's best served with a generous mound of fluffy rice, though a warm roti or a soft naan does the job equally well, or all 3. No judgment here. It sits comfortably on the milder side, so it's one for the whole family, little ones included, and it meal preps brilliantly, straight from the freezer to the microwave, and you've got a proper curry on the table in 5 minutes. Future, you will be very grateful. Thank you for joining me at Burmawala Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking.